I'm so bored. I want to have fun. I have an idea. I'm going to put a bomb in the microwave and blow up the microwave. Dude! Now, get out of here. What's going on down here? Oh crap, I'm busted. Doc Creeper, I heard an explosion. What happened? I put a bomb in the microwave and the microwave blew up. Oh my god, Doc Creeper. You know you're not allowed to put bombs in the microwave. There's a Doc Creeper. You're grounded for a week. And now you have to buy a new microwave. Now I have to buy a new microwave thanks to you. Go upstairs to your room right now. Wow.